Morning, students. Today we are going to see a new story, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Before that, we will learn some things. First, look at the sets of pictures. Which of these would you choose for yourself? They have to be just right for you. These three places are we are able to sleep inside. First one is tent, second one bed, and the third one is hammock. Hammock means it's a hanging bed. Next, what would you bring to school for lunch? Porridge, rice, chapatis, and vegetables, or bread sandwich and fruit. Which you like most? I think this, isn't it? Okay, shall we move to the story? Who is Goldilocks? The cute little girl is Goldilocks. See, Goldilocks is on a picnic with her family. One day, Goldilocks went picnic with her family along with her father and mother. But she wanders away because she is a naughty girl, so she won't sit anywhere. She is wander. Wander means roaming here and there. But she wanders away. They went into the forest, so she lost. She lost somewhere. She lost her father and mother. She wanders far away from her family. Suddenly, into the forest, she saw one small cottage. When she saw that cottage, she felt a little bit happy. Okay, we found someone to ask help, so we will find our family. Like that, she felt. When into her mind, she said, I will find my way. She knocks the door and asks anyone is inside the home. Before we enter anybody's home, we will knock the door and ask, no, anybody is there? Like that, she also asked. But there is no reply. The door is open, so coolly she walks into the house. Goldilocks is hungry. She is a small girl, so she can't bear her hungry. She felt so hungry. So suddenly where she went into the kitchen. She looks into the kitchen and sees three bowls of porridge. Porridge, what is meant by porridge? It's a healthy dish made of oats and milk. Okay, she saw three bowls of porridge. See? First, she tries the first big bowl, but what happens? See her reaction. It's too hot. Then she tries the next bowl, that is too cold. At last, she tries the small bowl. This bowl is perfect. The third small bowl only perfect to her to eat. So she ate all those porridge. Then what she did, see, puts the bowl in the kitchen sink. After she finished her food, she placed the bowl into the kitchen sink. Then she tired. She felt so tired. She walks through into the forest for long time, so she got tired. Then she want to sit somewhere, so she is searching anywhere. Finally, she found three chairs. One is a height, the second one is not too height and not too small, and third one is small. She tries the first big chair. It's too high. Then she tries the second chair. It's too big. Then she tries the last small chair. Yeah, this is apt for her. That chair is comfortable for her. But what happens? See these pictures? After she sits in the chair, suddenly the chair is broken. So, next what she did, you see? She felt so sleepy. She ate the porridge, so she was too tired also. So she wants to sleep for some time. She is searching for the bed. There also she saw 3 beds. The first one, she lied on the first bed, but it's too hard. Then she tries the second bed, it's too soft. Last, she tries the small bed that is comfortable for that. Finally, she felt asleep. At this time, Mama Bear, Papa Bear, and Baby Bear, 3 bears entering into the home. Papa Bear means father, and Mama Bear means mother, baby bear. This is a baby bear. And suddenly, the baby bear saw its chair is broken. Suddenly, the baby bear screamed, "Someone ate my porridge." See, the baby bear see the kitchen sink also. It said, "Someone ate my porridge and broke my chair." Then they went into the bedroom and see one small girl is sleeping there. That baby bear said, "See, someone is sleeping in my bed." So the bed also, the baby bear's bed only. Goldilocks wakes up. Suddenly she woke up and the Papa Bear asked, "Who are you?" Goldilocks said, "I am Goldilocks. I lost my way. I came here for help." She came to ask help only, no. So she said, "I came here for help." That time, that Papa Bear said, "We saw someone looking for a little girl," which means they saw Goldilocks' parents. They are searching for Goldilocks. So suddenly, the Papa Bear asked the baby bear to send Goldilocks to her family. So now Goldilocks and the baby bear were a good friends now. Goldilocks asked sorry. Why she asked sorry? Because she ate that baby bear's porridge and she broken its chair. She slept in that baby bear's bed. So she asked sorry. But the baby bear said, "Okay, it's all right." Finally, see, Goldilocks thanks the bears. She is very happy to go back to her family. Finally, Goldilocks is going back to her family. That's all.